Rain or no rain, girl has to look good. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are we? Today's weather is not giving at all. It's a very rainy day here in Dundee. Well, agenda was agenda, things must go on. So I'm seeing a friend for lunch and yeah today. So that's where I'm off to. I'm just walking towards my bus stop just now. Yep. I have an umbrella and I'm still wearing a dress because rain or no rain, the girl has to look good regardless. That's what I was saying. The weather is not the greatest today. I don't know why I'm whispering. I know I'm whispering actually because I'm on the bus. So I'm gonna do this. So the weather is not the greatest today, and I'm still wearing a dress still because regardless whether or no weather, it's still summer. So I'm still wearing a dress, but I have like a cute jumper on me. I'll try to show you. I'm meeting my friend for lunch and a proper yapping session, so it's gonna be really, really good. I'll take you guys with me as we go. Well, this is the dress that I want. It's a medium. Fit then. So not bad. I'll be back for it. We're carrying together today. Where are we going to next? Fraser's.
We are going to Fraser's not because we have money. But
I know.
because we just want to check and see what's going on in the world. For when I blow and I win my lottery, I'm going to go.
And just because we cannot finish a day out without something sweet, we are at Heavenly Desserts. We're having something sweet. Me and my partner in crime. Say hi. It's always so career ready. And if I are so fine. God.
My shyness.
Oh. When you see this video, yourself, you will say that. Babe, I'm fine, man. So yeah.
Do you have your mic?
So
Smart move.
we are having something sweet because that's the best way to finish a day out. That's me.
my dear. There we go. That's your roast.
Oh.
That's the Sunday on salad.
Welcome back. How are you? How are we doing? It's Sunday today and it's supposed to be a chill day for us. Actually, not supposed to be. It will be a chill day for us. We're not doing much because I had a really good time in town yesterday with my friend. Like I showed you guys, it was really good. Despite the weather was difficult, Scottish summer weather. It was pouring, but it was still a good day regardless. And see, as you can see the sun already. The sun is back and it is out in full force. So we are spending today at home, having a chill and relaxing Sunday, and I'm gonna make brunch. I've been craving French toast for like a while now, and I really don't want to go and spend cafe money. I love me a cafe. I think you probably know that by now. I love me a cafe trip, or I think we're not gonna go to a cafe. I'm just going to make some French toast at home and then an iced latte maybe. We'll see how it goes. I think that's probably what I'm going to make. And this particular vlog is going to be a short one because I don't think I'm going to continue it into the week. I'm working the whole week. So I don't think it's going to continue. I don't think it will continue into the week. And I'm most probably going to be ending it after I finish making the French toast, actually, for being honest. I kind of like to check in. How are you? How are you doing? How's your weekend going? I'm hoping by the time this vlog comes out, it's going to be a weekend. How's your weekend going? What have you been up to? I don't mind. Share with me. How's the weather on your side also? Let me know in the comments how your weekend has been, or what would your ideal weekend be? What do you like to do on the weekends? I actually kind of like to know. I don't like the way the sun is coming through. And I've tried to close that window, but there's one random slat that is open there, and that's what's bringing the sun in like that. But I don't have anything else to do today. Probably just sleep a bit and then make dinner, which I'm not sure I will record, but we'll see how it goes. But just in case, let me do a midway closing. So if you've enjoyed the video up to this point, please know the drill already. Don't forget to like it, also comment. And if you have not subscribed already, this is your first time of actually coming across me, please subscribe. It's fun here. I believe it's fun here. I think it's fun here. I think you'd like it. So please stay, enjoy, subscribe to my channel, and let me know actually what else you'd like to see. I think it's time to start asking that question because sometimes I'm like, I don't know what to record. When I don't do much also. I'm at home or at work or outside a few times. So let me know what you'd like to see at some point. And I'll see you in the rest of the vlog.